We got another bag. Here's a bag. What's this? There you go.
What did you do?
Cut them out.
There's
your legs. Fish, eh? You're not just gonna do that. You just pulled the legs out. Yeah.
I'm officially up north now.
He's just ripping the thing apart. Got that knife?
Would never make it as an outdoorsman. Never.
Wilderman? Need something to cut that. I don't have a